welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Naomi, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this mesh bralette that goes with the mesh bottoms on my page. So just stay tuned. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe down below by tapping that subscribe button and press the bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Okay, let's just get started. So today I'm going to be using my Crochet. Either this is the Pima 100 or the modernized cotton. I don't remember. But I'm using that, and I'm using a 3.50 mm hook. So first I'm going to start off by making a chain that's wide enough to fit over the widest part of one breast. It differs for everybody, so I'm not going to tell you guys what I did for me because my boobs obviously are different. So once you did the chain that's long enough, you're going to go back 4 chains and you're going to insert a double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. This is just creating the mesh stitch per usual. So you're going to chain 1, skip a space, insert a double crochet, and you're just going to repeat this till you reach the end.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
So next you're going to chain up 4 once you do this last double crochet, and you're just going to repeat the process, except you're going to go into the middle and you're just going to work this to the end. It's really easy and it's so simple, hence why this is such a short video. So in order to get the decrease effect on this, once you work the 2nd row, which we're doing now, when you reach the last stitch that you insert a double crochet into, you're just going to chain 1 and you're going to go up 2 chain spaces on the double crochet on the row below, and you're going to insert a double crochet on that. And this is just going to help create that decreasing effect to give it a triangle look.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
So you're really just going to repeat this process until you run out of double crochets, to do for each space. I'll be back at the end to show you guys what I do to work the border. So once you created both of your cups, as you can see, you're going to grab your work, do not cut and fasten off. You're going to chain one and you're going to insert 2 single crochets in each double crochet space. And usually I just work this around the corners, but on the sides that have the straps, I just make a chain that's long enough, maybe about 100 or so. And you're going to single crochet back and you just continue to work the border. It just makes your work look a lot neater.
This is a Tricky Bee production. This is a Tricky Bee production.
Do not forget to cut and fasten off your work so your stuff can look pretty and just in line and just, you know, pop it. So yeah, that's going to be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have not subscribed by now, please do subscribe by pressing the subscribe button down below. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace out.